On today's increasingly crowded roads, commercial vehicle mirrors are at more risk than ever. However robust their construction, conventional glass mirrors can easily be broken in quite modest impacts. With the need for ever more replacements and the waste of even more time as new safety regulations put vehicles with cracked mirrors off the road, keeping a fleet equipped with glass mirrors can be a costly business. But there is an alternative. Back in the early 1980s, SPAFAX introduced its range of revolutionary shatterproof mirrors, able to withstand shocks that would smash any conventional mirror. The intervening years have seen SPAFAX mirrors gain international approval, as they have been adopted by passenger service and commercial vehicles of all types. The SPAFAX mirror's unique durability comes from the strength and flexibility of its special plastic lens and polypropylene casing. That robustness, together with generally excellent optical properties and simple, effective design, led to a notable success story. However, whilst the original lens exceeded all British and European reflectivity requirements, its brightness was not quite as good as glass. This meant that dark objects in dim light could sometimes be less easy to distinguish. SPAFAX's response was a continuing program of research and development, which led to a unique manufacturing process and new lenses that are 20% more reflective, high-performance mirrors that look just like glass but don't shatter like glass. These superb lenses are fitted in the brand new TMX range, offering the same proven shatterproof qualities, but now with real glass-like reflectivity. The case for fitting SPAFAX mirrors in place of glass, always strong, now appears unanswerable. Like the earlier mirrors, the TMX range consists of 4 basic models. The largest, with its unique adjustment lever, caters for big trucks, coaches, and articulated vehicles. The TMX1 mirrors are for general commercial vehicles over 3.5 tons, while the TMX2 is for vehicles under 3.5 tons. The TMX3 is the same size as the TMX2, but offers a wider field of view, designed mainly for passenger service vehicles. It also makes an ideal secondary curb view mirror. In all cases, heated versions are also available. Again, like the original mirrors, the new range fits simply to all straight and D arms, or via special adapters to vehicles such as Land Rovers or Ford Transits. The universal fitting is easy to adjust and pilfer-resistant. Conforming to all UK and EC legislative requirements, the mirrors are designed to cope with extremes of temperature and a wide range of vibration frequencies, and automatic wash machines. But to the fleet operator, the most impressive aspect of fitting SPAFAX shatterproof mirrors is the spectacular cost saving that is virtually guaranteed. Where on a single vehicle, the cost of replacing glass mirrors averaged £40 a year, a breakage every other month, the investment in fitting SPAFAX TMX mirrors would be recouped in under 9 months. With 25 vehicles, that comes to an annual saving of £1,000. On those figures, whether a firm's fleet consists of 1,000 vehicles or just 2, a switch to the brand new TMX range from SPAFAX should be a business priority.